37. Which member of each pair of metals is more likely to corrode or more likely to oxidize? And then we have a sample of iron, which is Fe, or zinc, which is Zn. If I have a sample of these two, which one is going to corrode? AKA, which one's going to oxidize? Now, to picture this, right, whenever we talk about corrosion, we always think of iron. Iron loves to oxidize, and we could see that by rusting. So that's basically what corrosion is. I always think back to iron, and I say when iron rusts, it's oxidizing, it's corroding. But let's just see, is iron going to be the one that oxidizes in this sample between iron and zinc? Well, we only can find this out if we go in the back of the textbook to find out the iron half reaction and the zinc half reaction with their cell potential, their E values, right? So iron's is a negative 0.447 and zinc is a negative 0.7618. Now we want to find out which one is oxidizing, but the thing here is that any standard back of the textbook appendix half reaction is always going to have electrons on the left-hand side of the equation. Electrons on the left-hand side always means that you're gaining. So the standard half reaction is always in its reduction form. It's never in the oxidized form. So if all the half reactions are in the reduction phase, that means that the higher the E value, the more likely the chance of being reduced. So the higher the value, that means that you're more going to be reduced or undergoing reduction. The lower the value, that's your oxidation, and that's where corrosion happens. So I just have to compare these two values. If iron is 0.447 volt, negative 0.447 volts, and zinc is negative 0.7618, which one is the lower value? In this case, its zinc is lower. So that means that zinc would be the one that corrodes. But in general, we can see why iron, if not in the presence of zinc, is always going to oxidize, or pejoratively going to oxidize, because it has a very, very, very low cell potential. But in this case, since zinc was lower, zinc is going to corrode first. And that is it. What do you think? Hopefully this helped. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for all your support. My brother and I, we really do appreciate you all. And we hope that you're doing well in your classes. And just keep studying hard, all right? Always be learning and just figuring out new things. I will talk to you soon. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.